To define a three-phase cable, click on the underground cable symbol. Keep all three A, B, and C phase connections on when choosing from and to connections. A three-phase underground cable is visualized by a single line that exposes three broken lines internally. The cable editor is organized as three panels, each exposing a higher level of data complexity. The first panel allows designers to provide basic information such as the cable's name, its length, and size. The second panel goes a little bit deeper and allows cable material and ampacity along with protective devices to be defined. From and to connections can also be directly accessed from here. The third panel exposes the cable sequence, resistance, reactance, and capacitance data, rated temperature, and construction information. Cable phasing can always be checked from the first panel here. In order to simplify the design workflow and minimize the need for nameplate data, a library of cables is included that provides typical input data for a desired cable type. Although multiple cables can be physically connected in parallel between any two connections, users can achieve the same effect by simply increasing the number of cables in parallel. The cable's RNX values, along with ampacity, are adjusted accordingly as the number of cables in parallel increases or decreases. Cables can also have protective devices assigned on their from and to sides as shown here. Open and close status for these devices can be toggled with the one-line diagram reacting to such changes. Well, this concludes our short tutorial on three-phase cables.